Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, dear viewers. This is Abdul Razik from Anjangaon Surji, District Amravati, Maharashtra. नाज़रीन, सपने वो नहीं होते जो आप सोने के बाद देखते हैं, सपने वो होते हैं जो आपको सोने ही नहीं देते। जानते हैं ये कॉल किसका है? जी हाँ, ये है कॉल जनाब APJ अब्दुल कलाम, Abul Fakir Zainul Abidin Abdul Kalam, one of the renowned and greatest scientists of the world, and we are proud of him because he belongs to India. इंटरव्यू के सीरीज में आज के इस वीडियो में हम इंटरव्यू लेंगे एक साइंटिस्ट का। So before starting the interview, I have told you in my last video that two kind of sentences we have to know the structure of the sentence. One is verbal question and other is WH type question. In verbal question we start it from helping verb, subject, verb, object and question mark. This question is asked for yes no type answer, and the other question is question word, helping verb, subject, verb, object and question mark. This question required some information. So before starting interview questions, so which type of preparation we have to do as an interviewer? It is our duty to go a good preparation before taking an interview, because in front of us there are so many great personalities. They have much knowledge, they have much value. So it is our duty to prepare first, and the question is in the school and college level and for the students of journalism. Prepare 8 to 10 or 12 questions for an interview of a scientist. If you got an opportunity to take an interview of a scientist, which type of preparation would you do? So first you will welcome that person, then you will ask his inspiration, his educational qualifications, his likes, dislikes, incident in his life, his faith, his findings, his projects, his problems, difficulties, his support, family support, friend support, relative support, educational support, his upcoming projects, his future plannings, advantages from him to the world, his favorite things, favorite subjects, his ambition and his message to us. So how will we convert these information into the questions? Let's see. Welcome sir, I'm very glad to talk to you. Would you please answer my question? Second, what got you interested in this field? Third question, what are your greatest achievements? Fourth question, what is the importance of your research? Fifth question, was there any incident that inspired you on becoming a scientist? Sixth question, How do you think your research will help you? How do you think your research will help the humans and environment? Seventh question, who would you say your mentor? Eighth, what was the biggest challenge in your discovery? Ninth, what does an award mean to you? 10th, which are your favorite research subjects? 11th, what are your best findings? 12th, what are your future projects? 13th, whom would you dedicate your success to? 13, how would you encourage young researchers to develop an interest in science? 14th, what message would you give to young scientists, or what message would you give to us? Thank you. For Hindi and Urdu knowing students, I translate the sentences so that they will learn it, they will understand it very easily. اور آپ کے پاس اگر وقت ہوتا ہے تو you can write it in your copy and recite it for your examination. First, welcome sir. I want I'm very glad to talk to you. جناب آپ کا استقبال ہے، مجھے بڑی مسرت ہو رہی ہے آپ سے بات کرتے ہوئے. would you please answer my questions؟ کیا آپ میرے سوالات کے جوابات دینا چاہو گے؟ what got you interested in this field؟ یعنی آپ کو اس میدان میں کون سی ایسی دلچسپی کون سی دلچسپی آپ کو اس میدان میں کس وجہ سے دلچسپی پیدا ہوئی؟ what are your greatest achievements؟ یعنی آپ کی سب سے بڑی کامیابیاں کیا ہیں؟ what is the importance of your research؟ آپ کی تحقیق کی اہمیت کیا ہے؟ was there any incident that inspired you on becoming scientist؟ کوئی ایسا اتفاق ہوا جس نے آپ کو سائنسدان بننے کی ترغیب دی؟ how do you think your research will help the humans and environment؟ آپ کو کیا لگتا ہے آپ کی تحقیق سے انسانوں اور ماحول کو کیا مدد ملے گی؟ who would you say your mentor؟ آپ اپنا استاد کسے مانتے ہیں؟ what was the biggest challenge in your discovery؟ آپ کی کھوج کے دوران سب سے بڑا چیلنج کیا تھا؟ what does an award mean to you؟ آپ کے لیے انعام کی کیا حقیقت ہے؟ انعام کے کیا معنی ہیں؟ what are your best findings؟ آپ کی بہترین ایجادات کیا ہیں؟ which are your favorite research subjects؟ آپ کی پسندیدہ تحقیقی مضامین کیا ہیں؟ what are your future projects؟ آپ کے مستقبل کے منصوبے کیا ہیں؟ whom would you dedicate your success to؟ آپ کی کامیابیاں کس کی نظر کرنا چاہو گے؟ how would you encourage a young researchers to develop an interest in science؟ نوجوان تحقیق کرنے والوں کو آپ سائنس میں دلچسپی پیدا کرنے کے لیے کیسے حوصلہ افزائی کرو گے؟ what message would you like to give to us؟ آپ ہمیں کیا میسج دینا چاہو گے؟ تھینک یو، شکریہ. اس طرح سے ہم ایک سائنٹسٹ کا انٹرویو لیں گے. اس کے علاوہ بھی اور کچھ کوشچنس آپ کے ذہن میں آتے ہیں تو آپ اس کو تیار کریں ریلیٹڈ ٹو سائنٹسٹ so that you will make your question more impressive. Hope this video will be understandable to you. It will be easy for you. I also hope that you will learn it at your home. and will get more and more marks in your examination. Thank you.